big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified. Welcome to the live drawing of the Yardie Runnings lottery game. Get your tickets out. This could be your lucky day.
Good night and welcome to tonight's lottery drawing. I'm Christy Gell. The National Lottery is brought to you by Yardie Runnings. Tonight's jackpot is a whopping $5 million. Get those tickets out and let's begin. The first number up is 15. The second number is 5. Hope you're feeling lucky. The third number up is 16. The next lucky number is 25. Your fifth lucky number is 9. And the bonus ball for tonight is 11.
Soup! I'm rich now!
Hope you are a $5 million winner. Now let's recap those numbers. 15, 5, 16, 25, 9, and the bonus ball, 11. Thanks for playing the National Lottery and congratulations to all our winners. I'm Christy Gell. Good night.
Can't believe me win the $5 million jackpot. Watch me on a basket tomorrow.
Mr. Chicken, have you gone mad? You can't just barge into my office like that.
Yo, Mr. Boss, me quit that dirty work here. Every day, I slave on your construction site for little and nothing when payday come. I win the lottery, so I'm done with you and your dirty work. Man, I'm a millionaire now. Every time we come in your office, you talk about where dirty up your carpet. And that me think about your little cheap carpet. I have a great mind buy this company and fire you. You're lucky say me in a good mood. Because me rich now.
Welcome to the Yardie Runnings National Lottery Results Show. Congratulations if you are a winner.
The National Lottery whopping $5 million jackpot has been won. We have an unprecedented number of winners. 5,000 persons have claimed the jackpot. What are the odds of this happening? This means a payout of $1,000 to each individual. Congratulations. Hope you are one of those lucky individuals.
Really never quit the work, bossy. A little joke me did I run. I have my picnic them for feed and my bills to pay. Please.